Welcome back again, guys, and it's about another episode of EJ Show, and it's about day 53 of EJ Show English Show. And what I'm totally a new word. I am just looking for some new vocabulary, right, for expressing my happiness. So yesterday I just used ecstasy, right? So today I just have been thrilled to take up the episodes. So we are just back on action with the what our normal background. You get it right, and it's because today on random basis there is some rain pouring, but after that it's completely what a dry day. You can see at a random basis the rain is there and there is no sunny day, but actually it's something what some rain after it completely dry out, after that some rain, etc., the same is going on, and that's how today. So without losing any time, we are just moving over to the first segment, which is the vocabulary bank. And for you all guys, I'm not repeating the same phrases, so we are just considering to review the entire segment. So we are going over to that. Ostracize, push away. Giggle, laugh in a nervous or silly way. Plausible, possible but not likely. Hostile, showing dislike or opposition. Quell, pen made of feathers. Doodle, scramble drawing without any aim. Inculcate, fix an idea in the mind by repetition. Haywire, out of control, broken. Harrowing, very distressing. Glitch, a sudden problem or fault. Dissemble, hide your true feelings. Intrepid, intrepid, fearless, adventurous, and brave. Euphoric, yeah, that's a nice word, right? I just forgot to use that. Euphoric, extreme happiness. Idyllic, extremely pleasant, simple and peaceful without any difficulties or dangers. Jinx, a person or thing that is believed to bring bad luck. Bedazzled, to impress someone very much because of being very intelligent, beautiful. Tranquil, free from disturbance, very calm. Plethora, large or excess amount of something. Gibberish, speak something which is meaningless. Bamboozled, to fool or cheat someone. Serendipity, happening of some event by chance in a happy or beneficial way. Nifty, good, effective, handy, useful. Tremble, shaking due to fear. Enormous, big. Stumble, fall down while walking. Illicit, illegal. Mesmerizing, interesting. Sheeple, V-shaped posture of hands. Riveting, interesting. Collaborate, work together. Procrastination, action postponed. And the last but not the least, but the optimum, best. And that's all. We are just winding up that segment, which is the vocabulary bang, and we are just planning to the next segment, moving over to the next segment, which is the open fire. For as usual, we don't have that much fresh areas to cover up, so I am just going over to the normal casual talks. That's all for today. I am just planning for that. See, uh, I just wake up earlier, so I just got some subconscious mind thoughts during my what sleeping time, and at that time some hearings from the or the discussions of my mother's being heard in my ear. It's because I don't know why I hear about that, but sometime I just got that kind of focus on some things which is on subconscious mind, at my subconscious mind. So it's totally I heard about that, and it's about the property behind. You can see that, right? And that property is being approached in a negative way by my father's older brother. So in some way it's something what negative shade, so I don't want to present here, so you always will consider this as a negative. So I just have to consider this as an experience to through my journey. So everything, it should include everything, right? That's why I just use salt, sugar, etc., pepper, etc. So that's for the morning, and after that I just wake up, I think about 7:30 a.m. Estimate around 7:30 a.m. and after that I take that bed coffee, not bed coffee but a tiny glass of tea. After that, taken the breakfast. After that I just go some binge watch of some YouTube videos as well as FB videos. And after that I just, you all know that yesterday I just downloaded some movies, not some movies but a specific movie which is named Knives Out, right? But I just don't have that kind of focus at the night. I just planned to saw that movie at the night, but I just felt sleepy. That's why I focus or procrastinate it to today. So I just have to find time to saw that or watch that movie. So I just got that time at the morning itself. So I just completely watched that movie, and I just totally enjoyed it because it's about suspense, and it's an investigation around which is revolves around a murder or a suicide of a rich man. We can see totally what we can see how the detective find the true culprit. So it's totally interesting, and the background score, everything is, you know that Hollywood is on the alter topic. So we have to consider this a nice movie as well. So IBD IMDb rating is also in a above 5. So it's totally a nice movie, and I totally enjoyed it. I thoroughly enjoyed it, right? So after that I just ate my lunch, and it's nice. After that I just plug in my mobile phone due to the low charge battery. So I just plug in and just wait for 4 p.m. for getting it fully charged. And I think my charger is about turbo charger. So I just wait for 2 hours exactly, around 2 hours. So after that I just used it and just saw some YouTube. I just scroll down some of the topics or the videos. I don't even focus only on a specific topic, but some general topics. So I don't I don't know how to spend my precious in a workful way. So I have to do so many things, but I can't do anything at a situation that I am still standing on. So I have to find a way out from everything, and totally, completely, some everywhere I just hold that kind of pressure. So I don't want that kind of pressure. I just have to be serene for the entire life. So I have to totally my plan for future for right now is that I have to be stay alone. That's it. Yesterday I just mentioned some of the topics that I have on my thoughts or my minds is that humans are both selfish, and everyone is focusing only on their family based living, and I totally against it, and I totally want to live like a what for the happiness, right? They find their happiness on their family only through their family. So I don't know whether it's your turn or not, but I completely oppose that. Everything is needed, and true feelings is within us, right? And we have to find it in a way that surroundings also will be happy. Don't want to but rude or disturb any of the surroundings or in any way, not only the human beings but the all species around us. Every species has the right to live in this universe, right? Even their destiny is completed, they will automatically will burst out of this universe. So I don't know why humans are being acting like this way. So I can't do anything, but only by controlling me is the only way I can be what unstressed or burst out of this whole thing, so I can't do anything. That's the main reason why I am just being anxious about everything happening around me. So I can't do anything. That's the main reason for the frustration that I totally have nowadays, and I can't do anything. That's the main reason I have that kind of thoughts, that intuitions or instincts that I can do or I want to do so many things, but I don't have anything. That's it. And I just uh, only focus on my two hands and just raise like this and just use my eyes to show these hands. I don't have anything. So how I come from my mom's womb is the way that right now I just grown in a way that my organs, some parts of my body is being grown. As the time passes, I just grown in a way that the nutritions or the food that made me this way. So I have to expose or explore in a way that I have the fullest of me. I have to find the fullest of myself. So I am totally focusing only on that, not around us. And I have to make sure that I have that kind of skill set. I don't know. Only have that kind of huge amount of or plethora amount of dreams. That's the only thing that I am in hand. It's not on a tangible way, but it's invisible, or you can see it's all formed as a thoughts or beliefs or ideas that already been in there in my mind. So I have to work on it, and I don't get anything. I don't know. I just have that feelings to start business, but I don't get that kind of capital or finance to commence the same. So I am totally working on everything, but I am completely patiently waiting for the exact time. I don't know whether it's happening or not, but everything makes me that much stressed out, and I have to bust out of everything and totally want to. Yesterday I just have set the plan that besides my home I just have some what a small amount of property or the land. So I have the plan to what make some kind of forest through the what artificial forestation. So I for that I just have to raise so much, so not so much, but lot of money is needed to buy those birds, rabbits, fish, etc., etc. So it's everything is nice, but without money we can't bought anything. But we can generate happiness through that kind of way, right? And today I just saw the same channel with he's being bought some fish for some other guy who is a small child or an infant baby, not baby but a child or a teen child. I think about 10, in between 10 or 15 age, and he is totally enjoying or have the dream to have some uh, koi carp. It's a kind of fish, and we can see it in the Wonderla. You have heard about the Wonderla at the Kochi, right? There is a pond there, and there is lots of koi carp. It's totally what mesmerizing for the moments, and it's something which makes us happy for or euphoric for the moment. I totally enjoy that kind of feeling, and I can't create that kind of happiness nowadays. That's the main reason why I can't even enjoy my each breathing second. So I want to enjoy that, and I'm just finding anywhere I can find my happiness, or everywhere everyone or the motivators will stress on that it's on up to you, and you have to find that happiness. So it's not the right it's not the way that the right way it's not the right way, but we have to everything has to be in the correct exact measure, then only everything will be formed in a way which is in what in a positive way. I just claimed it a positive. It's because we can everything, all the in my view, right? It's only explaining in my view, right? You don't want to expect it or accept it. You can whether reject it. It's about every happiness or sadness in your life is happened due to some energy which is exact measure, which is comes within you in the exact measure. That's why you can be more happy or vice versa. So everything has its measure, so we have to be wait for the time for everything. So not only for you only need the positive thoughts, right? But everything everything will be happen in your life if you have enjoy your youth and not considering your parents exactly, etc etc. Then for the next future as well, or the next phase, you will also face the old age, right? And you have to sacrifice that kind of feelings at that age. And you have every human beings at any phases, if you sacrifice something you will get in something, right? Sorry, something. And if you enjoy your, you can, I surely comment on that, you can enjoy your entire life. It's because you can see everyone in this universe is being do or face so many difficulties in their lifetime. It's because they have to be trained for the existence, right? So we have to, I just focus on the background that you saw that my older younger, the first younger brother is up to there, and I felt it's something what completely, I just saw so many rude voice noise. That's why I just being get exhausted for the second. Or back to the point, I have to discuss that kind of way, so I don't get that much topic. So the flow is completely gone. So I am just concluding today's episode. So I am just hoping that for the future episode I need more improvement, more, not more. I don't have any measurement scale, but I have to. I am just comparing it because I just day to day basis I just saw so many anchors or presenters in the YouTube, right? And they all are being above my scale. So that's why I'm just comparing, not for their sake or any competition base, but it's for my improvement. So I need that much more, far more improvement. And I think I am being capable of uh, improvement. So I am just hoping that in the future episodes I will get more and more energy, and the way I just speak, and I can improve a lot. And just hoping that you all guys will support in this journey. So thank you. I'm just conveying my gratitude to you all guys. Keep stay not stay with me in this journey. So that's all, and we are just winding up today's episode, and we will discuss today's discontinued topics in any of the future episodes. So hope that everything will happen. So we are just winding up today's episode, and it's about day 53 of EJ Show English Show. And here Jitin signing off, and bye for now. See you next time in the next episode. Tata, bye bye.